Hello and welcome to our science class. How are you today? I hope all of you are having fun while studying at home. Our topic for today is transporting water. Plants need water to absorb nutrients from the soil. Transpiration is the process by which water moves up the stem of a plant from root to leaf. When water is lost from the plant due to evaporation occurring at the leaves. The two important parts responsible for transpiration are the roots and the stem. The part of the plant which is present above the surface of the soil is called the stem, while the root is the part of the plant which is present below the soil surface. Let's take a closer look at roots. Most roots have tiny hairs that help them to absorb more water. Now, let's observe the inside of a stem. The stem transports fluids between the roots and the upper parts in the xylem and phloem. Water travels through a plant inside hollow tubes. In the stem, these are called xylem and phloem.
Functions of roots. Anchorage. Roots fix the plant in the soil. They also provide mechanical support to the aerial parts against gravity and wind. Absorption of water and minerals. Root hair zone of the root is specialized to absorb water because the thin-walled tubular root hairs are able to pass into fine interspace of the soil. Minerals occur in very dilute concentration in soil water. Roots are specialized to absorb the same partly in the root hair zone and partly in the elongation zone. Conduction of water and minerals. Water and minerals absorbed by the rootlets are conducted by the various parts of the root system to the shoot system. Holding soil particles. By their branches and mucilaginous secretions, the roots bind the soil particles against forces of erosion. Hygroscopic roots. Young prop roots of banyan and epiphytic roots are specialized to absorb water from damp air. Roots, as you learned, absorb water and minerals from the soil. How does the water and minerals absorbed by the roots reach the rest of the plant body? Yes, through the stem. The stem conducts them to the leaves and other parts of the plant. It also supports the plant, enabling it to stand erect. Besides, it exposes its leaves to the sunlight.
Transportation. The system through which plants send water, glucose, and minerals to their different parts is called transportation. Transportation in plants takes place through two types of tubes. Xylem is a thick and strong tube which carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Phloem transports glucose from the leaves to other parts of the plant. To better understand transportation, let's see.
Bearded Sense Guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the color of flowers using food coloring. To start with, you need a group of white or beige colored flowers. Now cut the stem at a 45-degree angle. In an empty container, add 200 milliliters of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and 15 to 20 drops of food coloring. Remember, the more food coloring you add, the darker the coloration will be in the flowers. Once the contents are mixed well, now add your flower to the container. The reason this works is that flowers have vascular tissues called xylem, which transports water and minerals up the stem to the flowers and leaves, where the water evaporates, leaving the food coloring to get darker and darker.